Greetings everyone, welcome to another Star Trek video. This time we will take a look at the tough little ship, which is of course the Defiant class, USS Defiant. So now without further ado, let's go straight into Creo and take a look at the model. And here we are, and this is the model. Of course with the stand, so yeah, I will now get rid of it and we will take a look at the model. As you can see, the model is basically one uh, solid piece, I guess. And if you take a look at the model tree, you can see that it's not really consisting of that many pieces. Um, but yeah, I tried to separate it in a way that there is as few painted pieces as needed, but still there are some. Yeah. Spoiler alert, all the red stripes basically have to be painted, yeah, unless you have MMU. Okay, so the ship looks like this, and basically it has only one feature, and that one feature is that the head of the ship is separable and could be detached just like it is supposed to be, because it's basically not only, if I remember it correctly, it's also serve as a warhead. Okay, so now we will look at how everything fits together. Alright. So, we start with the bottom piece. And now we will insert the pins. Yeah, standard 10 by 10 pins. And put the top part. Just like that. Now we will insert this round piece. Yeah, it has a rectangular hole for the rectangular pack. Now we will insert this piece. Yeah, once again it has the holes for the packs. Now here we have this very big pack, so in that we will insert the very back. And now we will insert the front. Yeah, and as you can see here we have the lock, so you will simply slide it from the top. And yeah, now the nacelles. So the nacelles are divided into two pieces. They have holes for the pins. And basically you will put the two halves together and then slide them to this pack, yeah, from side. But before you do that, you will have to finish. Well, theoretically, you can do it even now, but it's easier if you assemble everything before you put them to the body. Yeah, so basically you have to attach the end of the nacelles. You have to attach the name plaques and various details. Yeah, so here we will insert this black piece or black pieces. Here we insert these pieces. Here the name. And now, yeah, the dish, which will go inside. And yeah, here this black piece to the nacelle. Here this black piece to the nacelle, and now the buzzard collector, which will be inserted inside. And last but not least, here to those holes you will insert these red pieces. And that's it. That's the model done. And as you can see here, it has a hole. That hole is for the stand, yeah, standard stand for my Star Trek ships, with the annex number and the names, and that's it. Yeah, so that's really the model. So yeah, now we will take a look how it actually turned out. And here is the model done. Yeah, now that is finished, I'm kinda sad that I didn't do it bigger. You know, it's some 23 centimeters in length, and as you can see, the stand is even longer. Yeah, I could have made it longer. Yeah, but uh, detail-wise, I think it came out pretty nicely. Yeah, everything fit together really nice, and the head could still be easily removed. Though I have only one hand available, so I will not do it, and I don't even plan to do that in general. Yeah, as I said, those red stripes had to be painted, and because the text of the is rather small, it didn't come up that great. But yeah, that's the price for the ship being so small. Yeah, I will. Yeah, so here is the ship from the bottom. Yeah. Yeah, everything holds together really nicely. Yeah, so yeah, in the end, I think it's yeah, it's nice addition to my collection. Alright, so yeah, I hope you liked it, and this will be all for the video. So have a very nice day, and bye bye.